Hi, my name is Shalene Tanasekran. I am from 4BELM Session 2 Group 2. And I'm going to make a video on the regarding title given, and the title I pick is Affordability and Energy. I'm going to use my own house as an example to show the amount of electrical consumption we will have on our daily basis. In my house, we use electrical consumption for the fan, for the TV, and when it comes to kitchen, we have refrigerator, water heater, oven, and also rice cooker. We also use electricity for lights on the ceiling and for the bedrooms and toilets as well. As we can see, there's a lot of electrical consumption in a day. But there's also an electricity crisis when we actually turn them on and forget to turn them off. There's a lot of current flow when we forget to turn off our electricity. If we are using it, there's a benefit on it. But if you're not using it, yes, as I said, when we are using the electrical energy, of course, there's benefit because we are trying to make use of the electrical power for our daily uses like boiling water, storing our food in refrigerator, fan for humidity. But when we are not using them, we are actually wasting so much of energy. And this can cause a lot of disadvantages. So one of the main disadvantage is an increment in the electricity bill. Yes, I'm telling it right. An increment in electricity bill can cause a lot of waste of money and also energy crisis, because when we waste a lot of energy, we are wasting a lot of electricity that consumes current. And not only it increases the electricity bill, but there's also another disadvantage. As we know, our country, Malaysia, generates electricity from fossil fuels, and this can cause a lot of negative effects to the environment and to humankind. And that is why we need to find an effective solution to overcome this issue. The best way to actually save electricity and also to minimize pollution, we should implement solar panel in our houses. This is actually a solar panel that I use for my FYP, but I'm just showing it as an example because solar power is actually a renewable energy. As I mentioned, solar power is a renewable energy and it is environmental friendly, which does not bring any harm to the environment or to humankind. Yes, the installation fees is high because we need a higher power rate solar panels for houses, but it actually helps to save electricity more than we actually can imagine. And as an engineering student, I also thought of using of sensors and microcontrollers that are able to switch off lights and fans or any electrical appliances when they are not in use. This can ensure that our electrical consumption can be reduced in our household. That's all from me. Thank you.